I'm going to try and turn $100 into $1,000 as a teenager with cryptocurrency day trading. This is day one. So here are the trades I took, and now I'm going to break down and tell you how I took this trade. So for this trade, I went for a break of structure and a liquidity sweep, as you can see. After I went into the 1 minute time frame to see if it would break up above this one blue line right here, which means it made a new high, which means the uptrend is about to start. This brings our account up all the way up to $101.25. We're going to try and turn $100 into $200 and maybe into $1,000 using cryptocurrency day trading. This is day 37. As you guys can see, I've recently started to get a lot better at trades. For example, with this trade, as you can see, my entry was basically almost accurate, and then it went straight down and hit my TP as soon as I hit the entry. We're going to try and turn $100 into $200 and maybe into $1,000 using cryptocurrency day trading. This is day 38 to day 41. As some of you guys know, I went on a little bit of a winning streak, and I mean winning streak. I kept winning trades after a trade after a trade. So I start to think that I'm just too good at trading. I'm just the best. So I get a little bit of an ego, and I'm walking around like I'm that guy. I'm just thinking, I'm going to be a millionaire at trading, but then, something happens. So I lose a trade without even me thinking, maybe I just made a mistake. I'm like, I'm one of the best traders, and this mentality can lead to a losing streak. So I started going on a little bit of a losing streak till I found out that I had this goofy ego that I had.